Okay, so Emmy is obviously the one in the white coat. Benny's a little bit farther away in the bike helmet with the blue thing. Suddenly they just started doing this on their own. They've been only going with Ray, and they both are doing very well. There he goes. Go, Benny, go.